What's up, everyone? I'm Timothy Milamasylum Jr. This is motherfucking Milamasylum. Wow. Please like, please share. Maybe you'll subscribe, but if not, totally cool. I hope that my personal opinion serves you well and it helps you direct your hard dick-sucking cash somewhere. Maybe not alcohol at all. But while you're in the store browsing for a new product to drink or something new or interesting, you can give all my other videos a watch. Might take you a while. I do have a shit ton of them. So, yeah. But pretty much anything unique or rare I have done. But anyway, today we're doing passion fruit Parrot Bay. I believe I have tried the coconut flavor before, long ago, back in my younger days. I'm 40 years old now, technically 39, but I just rounded up because I'm pretty much fucking 40. So, yeah, selling myself short. Anyway, cheap, shitty alcohol. It might be your favorite. I don't apologize still. But does it do its job? Yes. This is $10 fucking dollars. Technically $9.95. But we're gonna see if passion fruit holds up to its own. Smells like organic gummy worms. Exactly like organic gummy worms. So it's Caribbean rum with natural passion fruit flavor. I really don't taste passion fruit whatsoever. I taste organic gummy worms mixed with a little bit of a rum flavor. It is, however, super sweet, almost too sweet, like I'm kind of drinking just sugar water. It's 21% alcohol per volume, so it's 42 proof. So it's not very strong. Will it get you drunk? Yes. So, is it worth the price? Sure, why not? Is it good? It's good. I can drink it. It's probably going to give me stomach ache because it's too sweet. But overall, flavor versus price, it is an 8.5 out of 10. So, I mean, it is that. But anyways, that's your review. I'm Timothy Milamasylum Jr. And until next time, fuck off.